Welcome to the 2026 AI landscape, Claude versus ChatGPT. We are looking beyond the current competitive framing of these two powerful models. The interchangeable chatbot paradigm is obsolete. Choosing one based on overall intelligence fundamentally misunderstands the 2026 landscape. We should view them as specialized tools, Claude as the cognitive engine and ChatGPT as the creative studio. This diagnostic matrix highlights the distinct strengths. Claude excels in deep reasoning and context size, while ChatGPT leads in multimedia and ecosystem versatility. Claude is the deep cognition engine, powered by Sonnet 4.6 and Opus 4.6. It is designed for complex, multi-step reasoning, making it the definitive choice for large technical documents and deep engineering analysis. The context scale is a major differentiator. Claude offers a best-in-class 1 million tokens of recall. This capacity allows it to process full project folders without losing the thread of logic, which is crucial compared to smaller context windows. Claude enables bulk data synthesis without context degradation. You can upload large technical PDFs, codebases, and reports, and analyze everything simultaneously in a single chat interface using Claude 4.6's unified context. Claude Code acts as an embedded junior developer, moving beyond simple copy-pasting. It facilitates continuous iteration by analyzing local files, running commands, debugging, and applying code corrections. Claude excels at translating density into clarity. It transforms raw engineering data into best-in-class, human-centric writing and structured, natural explanations for professional reports or educational scripts. In contrast, ChatGPT is the multimedia production studio, powered by GPT-5 and an integrated multimodal engine. It is the definitive all-in-one platform for speed, versatility, and real-time multimedia generation. Sora 2 and DALL-E 4 form ChatGPT's visual engine. This integration allows for video generation directly from text prompts, outputting 20 to 25-second HD videos with synchronized audio. The advantage is turning abstract explanations into compelling visual content. The ChatGPT ecosystem is a constellation of custom GPTs, acting as specialized mini-apps. This massive library provides strategic value by offering ready-made, highly specific tools instantly, rather than building every workflow from scratch. ChatGPT also offers real-time iteration and rapid voice synthesis. Features include the interactive canvas for inline editing, and an advanced voice mode for natural, real-time conversation and instant fact-checking. The 2026 Pro Insight is symbiosis, thinking, powered by Claude, and creating, powered by ChatGPT. The optimal strategy is not choosing a single winner, but utilizing both models for their extreme specializations. This symbiotic relationship defines the 2026 professional pipeline. Data is ingested and deep-reasoned by Claude, transformed into a human-centric script, and then synthesized by ChatGPT into final visuals and voice, resulting in multimedia deliverables. The architecture of modern intelligence is hybrid. Adopt the dual-hemisphere workspace. Do not force a creative studio to do deep technical reasoning, nor an analytical engine to generate dynamic media. The result is unprecedented velocity and depth in your professional workflows.